Chapter 17. Our Atmosphere. What the atmosphere is. Students, do you know what surrounds us everywhere we go? Well, it is the air without which we cannot survive for a few minutes. On the earth, all living beings require air to breathe. In fact, the air refers to a mixture of various gases surrounding the earth in the form of a thick layer. This blanket of air is known as atmosphere. Earth's gravity holds up the atmosphere around it. Layers of atmosphere. Students, 5 layers of atmosphere surround the surface of the earth in the vertical direction. Let us know about them. Troposphere. This is the lowest layer of the atmosphere and the closest to Earth's surface. Changes in weather conditions like rains take place here. Stratosphere. Jets and aeroplanes fly in this layer. Ozone gas layer is present here, which keeps us safe from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun, which can lead to cancer and skin diseases. Mesosphere. Well, this layer of atmosphere burns out the meteors or space rocks and stops them from reaching to the surface of Earth. Thermosphere. It extends about 90 km, 56 miles to between 500 and 1000 kilometers, 311 to 621 miles above the Earth. Space shuttles move in this layer of atmosphere. Exosphere. It is the very edge of our atmosphere. It is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. Uses of air. All living beings need air for breathing. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air to prepare their food and release oxygen. Burning of any object or fire can take place in the presence of oxygen that is freely available in the air. We also need it for inflating tires for automobiles, tubes, and footballs. It helps in flying parachutes and gliders, in sailing boats, etc. Besides, it also generates electricity by moving the blades of a windmill. Composition of air. Air is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen with few other gases. Dry and clean air contains approximately 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 1% of other gases. The composition of air does not change as we travel through the layers of the atmosphere. In addition to it, some other natural substances like dust, ash, smoke, and water vapor may be found in small quantity in air. Oxygen. It is an essential gas for all living beings. They use it for breathing. It is also used as a life support in aircraft and submarines. Nitrogen. Living organisms do not take nitrogen directly from air. Plants use it with the help of bacteria found in the soil. Chemical fertilizers also contain nitrogen, which is added to make soil more fertile. Animals fulfill their need of nitrogen by eating plants. Carbon dioxide. In fact, this gas is essential for plants. They use directly to prepare their food along with water and sunlight. This process is known as photosynthesis. Other gases. Small amounts of other gases are also found in the air. For example, hydrogen, helium, neon, argon, ozone, krypton, and xenon. Argon and neon find a use in colorful electric lights in glass tubes. Neon is used in glow signboards. Water vapor. We have already read that water evaporates from seas, rivers, and lakes, which gets collected in the air. Water vapor present in the air also causes changes in weather. It can be condensed and is responsible for the formation of clouds, fog, rain, and snow. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Quick recall. The thick blanket of air is called atmosphere. The atmosphere has 5 layers surrounding the Earth. Air is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen with few other gases. Jets and aeroplanes fly in stratosphere. Carbon dioxide is essential for the plants. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity.